Welcome back to AirTouch. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to map gestures to mouse and keyboard, all without writing any code. To begin, go to File to Settings to open up the mapping dialog. You will first need to create a new gesture profile, or you can use the existing default profile. In this example, I'll create a profile for PowerPoint, mapping gestures to some of my favorite mouse and keyboard shortcuts. I'll leave index and thumb pinch as the default setting. This one advances the slide forward. Next, I'll map index up to trigger the laser pointer, using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl-L. Then, I'll map index and middle up to the shortcut Ctrl-P, which will trigger the pen function. Now let's save the profile and try it out. As you can see, each gesture instantly performs its action in PowerPoint. And that's it, you've learned how to map gestures to mouse and keyboard, all inside AirTouch.